Hello everyone. So in this question, we are given this C program and we are asked that what is the output of this code. We are given these four options and we have to find the correct answer from these given statements. So we have seen the similar question in our previous video, but here is the modification. In the previous video, we have the unsigned int x and here we were printing the percentile C. But here it is the character variable and here we are printing the answer using the percentile u. So I will start the timer and you can read the question and you can find the answer first by yourself and then I will explain the solution. So I hope you have got the solution. So the correct answer for this question is option C. That means this program will print the numbers from 0 to 255 infinite number of times. That means it will keep on printing the values from 0, 1 to 255 and again it will print 0, 1 to 255 and again it will keep on doing this infinite number of times. So let's run this program into our IDE and see what is the output we are getting by our compiler. So here is our program. So first let's run it. So see, I am getting the numbers, but these numbers are not getting stopped. Okay. So I'm getting all the numbers from some 0 to 255, but they are like running and they are coming infinite number of times. So let's see why we are getting these numbers infinite number of times. Okay. So let me stop this. So you can see I have stopped, and if I show you, so you can see that here we have the numbers. You can see 0, 1, 2, 5, 6 and all, and we are getting numbers, see, till 255, and after that the numbers are repeating. Okay, so you can see the numbers are like after 255 they are again keep on repeating. Okay, so let's see why we are getting this answer. So here you can see we have a character variable x. Okay, and this is of type unsigned. That means it can have only the character corresponding to 0 to 255 because this is the range of the unsigned char variable. Okay, now we have run a loop from 0 to till 255. Okay, and after that we are running a loop from 0 to 255, and in each of the iteration we are actually printing this character variable, and actually here it is not percentile C, it was actually percentile U as we have seen previous. Okay, so it is not percentile C, it is percentile U. So you know why we use percentile U? So percentile U is used to print the values which are of type unsigned. Okay, so this character variable is actually unsigned, so I have used the percentile U. So let's see. So let's see how it will run. So initially x is 0, right? So we will come here and we are actually printing percentile U format values. That means we will print this value, simple. Okay, instead of percentile D, I am saying percentile U because the values are like of unsigned int. Now next time when x is 1, then I will print 1. Okay, so this will keep on doing. Okay, next time it will be 2, then 2. So till 255, when x is 255, then I will print the value of x, that is 255. Okay, now at last when x is 256, so now what you can do, you can do a mistake. What mistake you can do? So you will say, okay, 256 is not less than 255. So that's why I will come out of this for loop and I will say return 0. That means some of you may have said that this option A is the correct answer. That means you will get 0 to 255 answers, but only once. But actually we have seen that we are not getting this answer. We are getting this answer. That means all the numbers from 0 to 255, they are keep on repeating infinite number of times. So why it is happening? So actually you should know here the concept of the range of the data type, right? So here you can see we have the character variable, okay, and it is of type unsigned. Now we have said that the range of the unsigned character variable is 0 to 255. So this you should know that how it came as 0 to 255. So you can see my videos on the data type. The link of those videos in the description. There I have explained that how this 0 to 255 range is coming. Okay. So just to recap, you know this character variable is of 1 byte. Okay. 1 byte means 8 bits. So In 8 bits, you can represent how many numbers? 2 to the power 8, that means 256 numbers. Because all the numbers are unsigned, so to find the range, you will say the number will start from 0, then 1, then 2, and last number will be 255. So these total are actually 256 number. So this is the range of the unsigned character variable. So what will happen? It means that if you store 256, so this 256 cannot be represented in 8 bits and cannot be stored inside this x variable because the range of this x variable is 0 to 255. So what will happen? This 256 will not be printed, and actually this 0 will be stored inside x variable. Okay, so here when x was getting incremented to 256, compiler will do something. So when this 256 was coming, so what compiler will do? It will say, I cannot store 256 inside x because it is out of range. So I will store x equal to 0. That means when this x was getting 256, it will not store actually 256. It will store 0 again. And because it is 0, so you will compare this 0 is less than 255. You will say again, yes, it is lesser than 255. So your 0 will be printed. That means 0 will be printed. And again, x will be incremented. So x will now become 1. Okay. Again, 1 is less than 255. So 1 is printed, 1 is printed, and so on. So next time again, when this x will be like 256, so this 256 again will be converted to 0. And again, this series will go on. That means again after 255, 0, 1, 2 will come. Okay. So I think you have understood the explanation. So this was the main concept, or you can say you should know the range of the unsigned character variable, and then only you can solve this question correctly. So if you have any comment or queries, please write down into the comment box and I will answer them. So I hope you have liked the video. So do not forget to like and share this video. So now let's move to the next question.